We use ChatGPT, Midjourney, Twinmotion, Runway, and Plate to generate our video. We used ChatGPT to refine the script, then Midjourney to generate pictures based on the script, and then uploaded the pictures to Runway, which generated the corresponding video, and Twinmotion is used to realize the interaction between characters. Then Plate helped us generate AI voice. In this virtual world, Kevin plays a robot engineer, John is Kevin's assistant, Louis is a robot, and Puppy is Kevin's dog. The story takes place in an underground laboratory in St. Louis, Missouri, where Kevin invented Louis, who became the characters of Kevin and Puppy, who were not family but better than family, and lived happily ever after.
A futuristic Earth landscape ravaged by extreme weather events, with a sky filled with intense solar flares and a destroyed ozone layer. A barren wasteland on Earth with cracked ground and extreme heat, showing the effects of high surface temperatures of 150 degrees. A futuristic city in ruins, with buildings destroyed by extreme weather events and high temperatures, and a sky filled with intense solar flares. A robotics engineer named Kevin in an underground laboratory with his dog Puppy and a helper robot, John. Kevin wearing a protective suit venturing outside the laboratory to search for supplies. Kevin building an advanced humanoid robot named Louis in his underground laboratory. Louis, the advanced humanoid robot, learning from comprehensive knowledge and a manual for training and caring for dogs. However, Puppy initially doesn't trust the robot. Kevin discovers that a massive storm is approaching St. Louis that will certainly destroy the area and kill him. Kevin, John, Louis, and Puppy set out in a heavily modified Fleetwood motorhome towards San Francisco. Because of the hasty departure, Louis could download only 72% of his encyclopedic data, and his mental capacity requires training. Despite his condition worsening, Kevin tries to teach Louis some valuable lessons about life and how to protect Puppy. Louis's inquisitive behavior both amuses and frustrates Kevin, but the robot slowly shows more initiative. By the time they reach Denver, Kevin becomes bedridden, and Louis decides to loot an abandoned hospital with John. John unwittingly gets crushed by a bear trap, and Kevin retrieves Louis to escape the city, realizing that the area is a trap set up by other humans. Later in the evening, the motorhome is pursued by an unknown car, which evidently followed them from the hospital. Kevin makes a panicked error in judgment and crashes their vehicle through an underpass with too little clearance, but Louis is strong enough to squeeze it out of sight. Kevin begins to give up hope that he will survive the journey and tells a story, in a flashback, about how he rescued Puppy. Approaching their destination, the UV radiation has dropped low enough for Kevin to be able to step out into the sunshine without a protective suit. Ecstatic, Kevin spends an afternoon outside with Louis, teaching him how to play fetch with Puppy before quietly dying. After cremating Kevin in a funeral pyre, Louis and Puppy make their way to San Francisco. Although they find the city habitable but deserted, they find possible evidence of surviving humans at the Golden Gate Bridge and set out to find them.